video has been lately. Like I looked at my uploads for August. One. I've uploaded only one video in August. Like what the hell, Warren? But I think I haven't been feeling myself lately. The issue, I think I know what it is. Is this live on Instagram? No, just a photo? No. Video? Okay. Okay, there's a live. I think I know what it is why I don't feel myself. It's this damn loss. No? It's like it just covers your whole face and you can't breathe and maybe it's the cap also, because all my videos, if you look at for the last, I don't know, 2 months, 95% of those videos I'm wearing a cap. Why am I wearing a cap? Because my hair is not cut. Like the irony. It's Mr. Barber whose hair is not cut, so therefore he's wearing a cap. So you hardly see my face because I'm wearing this cap and this mask. And that's gonna change today. That's changing. Look, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's change this and new hair. That's better. See you later. Maybe. So maybe it's because I'm too fat, so no more escalator and only stairs. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm Jensen, you.
Yeah. Today she's on my camera.
Yeah,
There you go.
go.
Because today she's not charging me a lot of money. Finally!
Yeah, but 10,000 rand.
She's, thank you. Bye.
Go.
Lovely lady. She is lovely. So maybe it's the hair, maybe it's the acknowledgement that I'm picking up a lot of weight, or maybe it's lockdown, maybe it's this pandemic. You know, you're stuck in the shop all the time, and it's maybe that's getting to me. I don't know. So I'm out today. Well, I can't share everything because I don't have permission yet. So once I get there and I get permission, then I can or can't share. I'm not sure yet. But right now, I feel happier already. Like I feel like Warren, you know, doing things and being busy. Yeah, cutting hair, I love it. It's my job, my passion. You know, probably the thing that I owe most of, you know, my success to is the fact that I'm a barber. But I also love being on this side of the barber industry. I'm sharing too much already.
Are you gonna work upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, but can you park this one?
Okay, so I can park here?
Yeah, it's gonna park on this one.
Next to the bike. Okay, cool.
Go on, man.
Het is wel. How's it?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. You're right, boss.
Alright.
That's it. This side, sir. This side.
This is that. How are you that side? I almost took your door off.
It's fine, boss.
Just a quick read through my notes, just quick to make sure that it's here. I know I was hesitant in the beginning to share what I was busy doing today, but they gave me permission, so full disclosure. Today we're going to be talking about, can you shave during this pandemic or not? And absolutely you can. Like, what the hell, you should be shaving. If you put all the protocols in place and you follow procedure to the point, then you can shave. Today I'm going to be doing it for Bluebeard's Revenge Education. You can check it out on their page, and obviously it will be on my page. So we're going to be shaving, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Because we are, covered with this mantle or blanket of fear, we kind of just hold back and is it okay to do this? Is it okay to do that? Exactly. And then we kind of blur the lines of, what is just ridiculous. And I think in the barbershop right now, shaving is a great add-on to your docket, and some men only shave in the barbershop. Some men love the barbershop for the fact that they get a luxury shave in the barbershop, and barbers right now should be offering shaves again. Because if you follow the protocol, then there's no reason why you cannot shave. What's up everyone? If you just joined, if you're new to this channel, my name is Warren, this is Mr. Barber. If you're serious about grooming and growing in this industry, then subscribe to this channel. If you already did that, then welcome back. Later people, cheers. I'm going to tag the owner of that bike in this video. You didn't see it. Cool bike. So this is the perfect game today. So if we talk about can you or can you not shave in the barbershop, the simple answer is yes you can. As long as you put the protocol in place, as long as you're wearing the correct PPE and you apply your mind and just thinking about the client's safety and your safety, then of course you can shave in the barbershop. You should shave. You should start advertising your shaving right now. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is Mr. Barber. My name is Warren. See you guys next week.